Hello. And this is Georgia Coatings by the Bay, your local ceramic coating expert. We focus on new vehicles and offer paint protection services only. And today, as you'll see, we have a brand new 2026 Toyota Prius. These things are a bit sleeker than the original models, aren't they? Toyota ran a campaign a couple months ago saying they're faster too. I'll have to talk to the owner to figure that part out, but this Toyota Prius had the full exterior done, so things like glass, plastics, badges, the paint, obviously, it's all coated with a 5-year coating. It's just designed to be high gloss, as you'll see, really easy to maintain and chemical resistant, especially come wintertime, that salt dropping all over the roads. So if you are purchasing new, Coatings by the Bay should be one of your first calls. The free tidbit that I will always remind people about in these videos is I will recommend any reputable detailer over the dealership, any of them. I'd rather have you see competition versus get, for lack of a better word, screwed over by a dealer. Because all you're buying with the dealer is a piece of paper. But this starts at $875. And that will cover all of the paint, including a buffer applied polish. We did do a little bit of paint correction, no billing for it, but just had some marring in the hood. You'll see it's nice and clean and clear now. So again, we are based in Grand Chute, just minutes from Victory Lane. We offer paint protection for new cars and well-maintained used and luxury vehicles. So if you need ceramic coating and you live anywhere in Wisconsin, give us a call. For in-studio services, we are based in Grand Chute, serve the Green Bay, Appleton, De Pere, Oshkosh areas here, pretty much the whole Fox Valley. And then we offer mobile services to the entire state. We just need a garage with basic water and power hookups. And it doesn't have to have a ton of space in the garage. I'm a skinny guy that can still squeeze in some tight areas, so don't be embarrassed. I've been in some super clean, very high-end garages, and I have been in some not so super clean, not so high-end garages. A lot of vehicles don't make YouTube because I'm not going to film in a client's garage. That's their personal space. But yeah, again, if you need ceramic coating, text me 920-659-0023. Again, my name's George. You can text me anytime at 920-659-0023. Prices are transparently listed on the website, but this size vehicle up to a crossover, you're looking at $875, and that gets the paint done. Includes everything needed for installation on the paint. So a full exterior detail, buffer applied polish, panel prep, and then application to the paint, and that's a 5-year ceramic coating. We do offer some upgrades from there. And again, we transparently post all of our prices. I don't hide anything behind get a quote. Most of the time when people are texting me, they're just kind of looking for a final number or next available date. Honestly, sometimes just disbelief that, okay, where's the fine print? Where's the bait and switch? And it isn't there. Exactly what you see on the website is what I'm gonna send in estimate form. So if you are buying a new vehicle, again, new vehicles anywhere in Wisconsin, we're even talking Milwaukee, Madison areas, Marshfield out there in Stevens Point, we'll do it all. Coatings by the Bay. I'd love to take care of you. Again, my name's George. You can text me anytime about your ceramic coating questions, 920-659-0023. Hope to